Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll down and find the option Accounts and Backup. So this is what you should see on the right, and now let's tap on Backup Data here in the Google Drive. Now let's tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Make sure, I forgot to mention, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Oh, whoa. Okay. So here in this section you need to enter the password, so simply do it and tap on Next. Here, whether you want to save everything to Samsung Pass, I don't want to do it. And here you've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup information, and here we can actually decide what we would like to backup. So photos and videos or other device data, like for example call history or apps and apps data. If you want to, you can choose only one section. So for example you can backup only other device data or only photos and videos. It's completely up to you. I will pick other device data and tap on Confirm. So here we've got the backup section. You can tap on backup details, the one that was chosen by you. And here you've got some further details, like for example how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. Now we can go back, and to finish everything, simply start the process of backing up the data. Simply tap on Backup Now, and that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.